guys, it's Annie. Today I have this really adorable bento box. I love how it's just so colorful. There's a few different color options, which is nice. But my favorite feature, of course, is this thermos that keeps your food nice and warm. You've got the option of just using the compartments themselves, which is nice. It has a silicone rubber seal here to keep things fresh and a little clip to keep everything secure. Also a cute little handle so they can kind of carry it around to school. So let's take a look at the thermos part itself. It has its own little handle. It just twists right off like this. So you can take the stainless steel part out and wash it in the dishwasher if you want. Take it and warm it up by pouring some hot water in it before adding the hot food. It will keep the food warmer for longer. And then this just holds it into place as one of the compartments. And then this is the lid. It has a rubber seal here. And again, it just twists right on. It's very easy for little ones to open and close. When my kids were in preschool, they used this one a lot. Hope that's helpful. Definitely giving this my recommendation.